There were multiple Ukrainian strikes on the Crimean Bridge on August 12th, as videos showing smoke rising near the bridge. While Ukraine is officially silent, Russian proxy head of occupied Crimea, Sergei Aksyonov, said that air defense had intercepted 2 missiles over the Kerch Strait, adding that the Crimean Bridge was not damaged. According to Russian media MASH, the traffic on the bridge was halted due to the threat of another strike. Russian state-owned news agency RIA Novosti claimed, citing Aksyonov, that the traffic will be resumed soon. It also said that the occupation authorities put up a smoke screen on the bridge. But local sources are saying that the bridge is hit at least once, and a total of 8 explosions have been reported at the Crimean Bridge. Kerch Bridge is done. This was obvious after the first attack. Once it was repaired, the second attack followed. It will be demolished piece by piece like clockwork. Air defense was active near the Kerch Bridge. A Russian holidaymaker who incautiously posted footage on social media of air defense missiles being fired over the Kerch Bridge appears to have been dragged off the beach in his shorts to film a public apology for his actions.
Я, Роман Сергеевич, извиняюсь за свои действия в съемках ПВО. Впредь больше такого не повторится. Поддерживаю СВО и всегда поддерживал. Извиняюсь еще раз, такого больше не повторится. Делал это неосознанно.
It's time for some music. There have been increased attacks inside Russian-occupied Ukrainian territory and on the territory of Russia in recent months. Earlier Russian state media claimed that 20 Ukrainian drones had been shot down overnight in Crimea. And the day was really bad for the occupiers. A Russian Su-30 aircraft crashed in Kaliningrad region, Russia. The crew died in the crash. Russian Defense Ministry reported that the crash was caused by technical malfunction. Finally cleared to report that Ukrainian troops did not withdraw back over the Konka and Dnipro after attacking Russian forces west of Kozachi-Laheri last Tuesday, but established a bridgehead in the area that is constantly growing ever since, 83 kilometers to Crimea. For the first time in this war, Ukrainian forces not only successfully crossed the Dnipro River, but also the Konka River behind, establishing a permanent bridgehead on the south and east side near Kozachi-Laheri. All Russian attempts to dislodge Ukrainians failed, and the Russian recon unit initially investigating the Ukrainian landing was most likely destroyed. And as Warthog Defense also reported, the Ukrainian army captured the northern rural part of Urozhene in western Donetsk Oblast. The southern urban part remains under Russian control for now. Bad news for the occupiers in Urozhene. Russians write on Telegram. The enemy has matured to use our Mariupol tactics. He sends a small group until faces fire contact, pulls back and strikes with artillery at the identified position. After that, he crawls into the cleared basement. This is possible only with the unpunished work of artillery. We return to the question of counter-battery fire. If we do not change the situation, we can lose Urozhene. A video compilation of surface drones at work in the Black Sea, published by Ukrainian Ministry of Defense. Ukrainian FPV loitering munitions from the SBU disabled and heavily damaged a Russian BMP-T Terminator and damaged another Russian T-80BV that attempted to recover it. The Ukrainian aerospace company UKR Spec Systems recently presented their new camera system, USG-231, that is made for reconnaissance drones. Ukrainians have occupied Ukraine and are abducting Ukrainians. Russian propagandist Mardan gives an answer for The Hague.
Вот сегодняшний день, по моему мнению, он проходит, знаете, как под знаком объявленной принудительной эвакуации из порядка 60 населенных пунктов Купянского района Харьковской области, временно оккупированной Харьковской области, временно оккупированных территорий Купянского района. И это оккупационные власти объявили принудительную эвакуацию, потому что оставлять людей там, куда не сегодня-завтра придет русская армия, естественно, они категорически не хотят. Вот это и есть похищение людей. Не то похищение детей, в котором они обвиняли и Кузнецову, и Путина через этот вот так называемый международный суд, а то, чем занимаются администрация Зеленского, то, чем занимаются политические хохлы, это и есть чистые... Ну, слушайте, как бы вот оккупанты, они и есть оккупанты. Тут говорить-то не о чем, нечего распинаться.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.